Hey guys, I'm so excited about these new MINERALIST Micro Defining Brow Pencils. There's 5 shades. The new shades are taupe, light brunette, chestnut, coffee, and rich black. It's also in a custom teardrop. So it's smaller like a teardrop at the top and wider at the base so you can create a fuller brow look if desired. All right, now it's time for me to fill my brows, and I'm gonna use the shade light brunette. Now that the brows are filled to your desired look, don't forget this is a great opportunity to pair with Strength and Length Serum Infused Brow Gel. You can use the tinted for a fuller brow look, or I'm gonna pair with the clear just to give some of that flexible hold. I can't wait for you guys to try these. I'm excited for you to see the new colors that are available, along with that micro defining tip to create beautiful brows.